Hello everybody. Today we are going to solve one more problem from dissolution of partnership firm. Problem is this particular question. Tanu and Sonu are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 5:3. Their sharing of profit is done in 5:3 ratio. And they agree to dissolve their firm on 31st March 2018, on which balance sheet is given below, on which the date balance sheet was as follows. So this is their balance sheet. All the liabilities and assets are given. So you can just mark it which are the, in the case of liability we need to mark which are the external liability and which are the internal liability. So usually certain internal liabilities will not be paid by the firm. So that we should make it clear. Here creditors is an external liability. Bills payable also external liability. Bank loan is also external liability. Next you have capitals and reserve fund. These two comes in the partners capital account. Okay. And next in the assets, cash at bank is given, that is bank balance is given, and all the remaining assets are given here. Related to the assets, the adjustments are given below. Tanu agreed to pay the bank loan and took away the sundry debtors. So Tanu, she is taking out the bank loan as well as she is taking one of the asset, that is debtors. And next, sundry creditors accepts stock and paid rupees 10,000 to the firm. So this is like exchange form. The sundry creditors amount is 62,000 and the stock amount is 75,000. Okay, just exchanging in the, instead of paying 62,000 for creditors, the creditors they are taking entire stock. Okay, and apart from that they are paying 10,000 to the stock. So here this has to be considered as stock realized 10,000, whereas liability we are not paying the creditors, it is just an exchange process has been taken place here. So that I will show you how to treat. Okay. And next we have bills payable. Here related to that, machinery is taken over by Sonu for rupees 40,000. So machinery is also taken over by one of the other partners, Sonu, and agree to pay bills payable at a discount of 5%. So Sonu is also taking one asset and one liability, and that liability is taken for 5% less than the book value, that is discounted. Okay. And next, motor car was taken over by Tanu for 60,000. Again Tanu is taking one more asset here. Investment realized at 76,000 and fixtures rupees 4,000. And next, realization expenses amounted to rupees 2,200. This is the question, and we need to prepare realization account, partners capital account and bank account. Let's start doing this particular problem. Okay. So here is the realization account. Starting with realization account, we first initially start with the debit side. Write all the assets except bank balance. Except the bank balance, all the assets has to be taken here at the book value in the debit side. Start with 2. Debit side we should start with the 2. Okay. So first is stock. To stock 75,000, and next we have sundry debtors 55,000, and next we have the investment 70,000. Then we have motor car 90,000, The last, next we have machinery, 45,000. The last we have the fixtures, that is 9,000. So all the assets we have taken here. Okay, and next we are moving on to the liabilities. We will record the liabilities. So here, starting with the credit side, we have to write all the liabilities in the credit side. That is, first we will start with by creditors. Creditors we have 62,000, and next we have bills payable 32,000, and the next we have a bank loan. This is a third party loan, so we have to pay back the bank loan also. So this is external liability. Okay, these are the liabilities. Now let's start with the adjustments. So adjustments will be written under the bank or cash account. To highlight, I am using the red pen. Okay, so first we will take all the assets realized. Details of assets we will write it here. Okay, so first adjustment, Tanu agrees to pay bank loan and took over the debtors. So debtors is taken over, we will write later. And sundry creditors accepted stock and paid 10,000 to the firm. So apart from exchange, they have paid extra 10,000 for the stock that we got. Out of the stock we have received 10,000, that we have to show it here. Okay, next we have here investment realized, that is 76,000, and fixtures at 4,000. So these are the three assets are realized. The remaining assets, we have the other information which is taken over by the partners. Only three assets are realized. Let's make the total of that. 10,000 plus 76,000, it is 86,000 plus 4,000. We will be getting total 90,000. Okay. Now let me write down all the assets taken over. So Tanu, she is taking over the debtors. So by Tanu's capital account, she is taking over the debtors at book value. They have not given any amount related to debtors in adjustment, so it is assumed as it is taken at the book value. She is taking two assets. So one is debtor 55,000, and one more asset she is taking over is motor car. Motor car is also taken over by Tanu for 60,000. So both together it will be 1,15,000. Okay. Next we will look at the liabilities. Liabilities only two are there. One is creditors and one is bills payable. So here in case of creditors, they have done the exchange. The creditors has taken over this stock. Since there is an exchange, that will not be recorded. It is been paid. Creditors is not paid directly. They have paid indirectly by exchanging the stock. So that will not be shown here in the adjustment. We assume that it is been paid and that will not appear in the books. Okay. Next, related to bills payable. Bills payable is taken over by Sonu. So it will go to Sonu's capital account, which will not come under the bank account. Again we have bank loan. Even bank loan is taken over by Tanu. So that will go to Tanu's capital account. It will not come under the bank account. Okay. So remaining is realization expenses, which comes under the bank account. So you can write only the realization expenses. That is 2,200. Now whatever the liabilities is taken over by Tanu and Sonu, we will write it down. Tanu's capital account. Tanu is taking over bank loan. She is taking over full bank loan. Amount it is 50,000. And next to Sonu's capital account. She is taking over the bills payable, and it is at 5% discount. It is taken over less than the book value. Okay, so here you can see, you can write here bills payable taken over. The actual bills payable amount is 32,000. In that she is discounting 5% on that, less discount 5%. So if you calculate 32,000 into 5%, you will get 1,600, and 32,000 minus 1,600, you will get 30,400. This is the amount which is paid by Sonu for bills payable. Okay. Now related to assets, we have done all the adjustments. Related to liabilities also we have done, and just cross checking any assets are missed. Stock is done, debtors is taken over, investment is also done, motor car is taken over, machinery fixtures we have done, machinery is missing. So let me see any adjustment related to machinery. Yes, machinery is taken over by Sonu. So here Sonu's capital account, you can write machinery taken over. So amount for this is 40,000. Yes, now all the assets have been, all the adjustments related to all the assets we have done here, and next related to all the liabilities also we have done the adjustments clarified here. Now next we will close the account just by doing the totaling both the side. We will find the total. So here credit side 62,000 plus 32,000 plus 50,000 plus 90,000 plus 1,15,000 plus 40,000. You are getting 3,89,000. We will do the debit side. 75,000 plus 55,000 plus 70,000 plus 90,000 plus 45,000 plus 9,000 plus 2,200, then plus 50,000 plus 30,400. So you are getting here, this side you are getting the highest amount, 4,26,600. So this side in the credit side is less and debit side is more. Expenses are more than their income. Okay, so with this we will minus this total of all credit side, 3,89,000. Okay, you are getting the loss of rupees 37,600. 37,600 is the loss which is transferred to partners capital account, and this loss has to be shared for the partner. Who are the partners here? The partners are Tanu and Sonu. I'm just using the initials of the partner, Tanu and Sonu. Their ratio is 5:3. So this 37,600 into 5 by 8. Have you got this? 8 means 5 is to 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So 37,600 into 5 by 8. You will be getting 23,500 for Thanu. And for Sonu, it is 3 by 8. So 37,600 into 3 divided by 8. It will be 14,100. This is the loss that they are going to share. This is the loss happened in the realization account. Loss on realization account is 37,600 and the loss has to be shared. So that has been shared here. Both the side close the account with 4,26,600. So this is the realization account. Okay. Now let's move on to the partners capital account. I hope this is understandable. It's clearly visible also. Now let's move on to the partners capital account. So this is the partners capital account. So here we will start with the credit side, income side and expenses of the partners will be recorded in debit side. So first we will start with the by balance brought down. That is nothing but the capital amount of the partner. So Thanu has bought 1,10,000 and Sonu got 90,000 as their capital. And if there is any profit and loss or any general reserves or reserve fund given in the balance sheet, that we need to share. So here we can see, here we have the general reserve fund 16,000 that we need to share it here in their given ratio. So general reserve fund, it is 16,000. We need to share in 5:3 ratio. So 16,000 into 5 divided by 8. It is 10,000 for Thanu and the remaining is 6,000. So directly we can write on here. Okay. So 16,000 into 3 by 8, you will get 6,000. So reserve fund has been shared. There is no profit and loss in the balance sheet. So we have got realization loss. That loss has to be shown in the debit side since it is an expense or loss for the partners. Okay. So here we will be writing to realization account the loss which we have shared for them, 23,500, and next for Sonu 14,100. These are the general information. In every problem we have this. And next we have to write any assets taken over or any liabilities taken over. Now assets taken over will be shown in the debit side. Liabilities taken over will be shown in the credit side. Okay. See, assets taken over, Thanu has taken over 2 items, that is debtors and motor car. So here to realization account, I'm just writing assets taken over. You can see in Thanu has been taken over the debtors and motor car together, added together it is 1,15,000. I am writing directly 1,15,000. Okay. And Sonu is also taken over machinery for rupees 40,000. So that also we are going to write it here, 40,000. Okay. And next liabilities also we can see here. Liabilities taken over. Thanu has taken over the bank loan and Sonu has taken over the bills payable. That also we have to show it in the credit side of partners capital account by realization account. We can write in the bracket liabilities taken over So Tanu she is taking bank loan, that is 50,000, and Sonu is taking bills payable, that is 30,400. So these are the assets taken over and liabilities taken over, and these are the adjustment related to the partners. So let me calculate the credit side balance now. It is 1,10,000 plus altogether here 60 1,70,000 minus the debit, that is the expenses of Tanu, 23,500 minus 1,15,000. We will be getting 31,500 is the balancing amount for Tanu. And next for Sonu, 90,000 plus 6,000 plus 30,400, 1,26,400. These are her incomes. With her income, let us minus her expenditure. Minus 14,100 minus 40,000. That will be 72,300, which is transferred to bank account. This balance amount has to be transferred to bank account. So this is the total income, which is the balancing figure. Finally, we have to close the account with the same amount, both the side. So this is their income. With their income, we have to minus all their expenditure. The remaining amount is this remaining amount, which is transferred to bank account. Now let's move on to prepare the bank account. Okay, so this is related to the partners capital account. Now let's prepare the bank account. The first thing that we enter in the bank account is bank balance. To balance brought down. The balance brought down will be given in the balance sheet. For this problem it is 16,000. And now we need to write all the assets realized. Whatever the assets have been realized, only that we have to write. That is to realization account in bracket assets realized. Already we have done in the realization account. Just take the total of assets realized. Here you can see all the three assets we have realized, and that the total of that is 90,000. And next we have any liabilities paid, that we have to write it here. Any liabilities like creditors, bills payable all together. But in this case, liabilities are taken over by the partner itself. So under bank account we have only the realization expenses, so that we can write it here. Realization expenses 2,200, and all other liabilities are taken over, so no need to mention here. Now let's take the balance of the partners capital account. Partners capital account. So this particular balance we have to take. Okay, so Tanu balance is 31,500 and Sonu 72,300. Now let's check whether the problem is going to tally or not. It's already 2,200 plus 31,500 plus 72,300. We are getting 1,06,000. Let me see this side. 16,000 plus 90,000. Yes, 1,06,000 is the final answer that we are getting after preparing the bank account. It's tallied. This is how we are going to prepare the dissolution problems. So first we will be preparing the realization account, with all the book values and all the adjustments related to the assets and liabilities. And next we will prepare the partners capital account, all the adjustments related to only the partners. Whatever the share we have to give in profit and loss or reserve fund, that has to be done here itself. And whatever the assets taken over will be shown in the debit side, liabilities taken over will be shown in the credit side. And finally we will prepare the bank account. So this is the tallied amount, 1,06,000. For more videos you can check in my account. There are we have done so many problems previously. You can cross check with different adjustments. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.